everyone, hope you're all doing fine. Today is a bonus hunt, but before I get started, there won't be a video tomorrow because I'm going to be live this Saturday at 8 PM. So I'm going to miss tomorrow's video, the Friday one, and do a bonus hunt Saturday evening, 8 PM I'll start. I will collect some bonuses before the stream because they can take a long time to get. So if you have any slot suggestions with slots that work on the bonus hunt, please leave them in the comments below this video and I'll try and get some of them, or lots of them, as many as I can. And yes, I'll see you Saturday at 8 PM, but I'm doing this bonus hunt now, of course, so I'll see you in a minute with some bonuses. I'm not quite sure what to play. There are some new ones, so I'm going to look through those, see any good bonus hunt-y type of games, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Hey guys, it's bonus time. It looks like I haven't got Raging Rex. Yeah, it's teased a couple of times. Didn't get it. Oh, there's the tenner. Let's try again. No Raging Rex. I have Fishin Pots of Gold, Jammin Jars, Legacy of Dead, Wolf Canyon, Amazing Links, Bonanza, Bear Money, Totem Thunder, Royale with Cheese, and a Rave. I'm going to start with Fishin Pots of Gold, and then I'll work my way along the list as I just said them. It's Fishin without the G. So that's 1500 start, not too bad. 10 bonuses, averaged at £150 each. Quite a long tease on this one. And I'm live on Saturday night, so I hope you lot can join me from 8 PM. Come on, little fishing man. Oh, he just fell off. Pretty decent game, but I don't like the way it teases virtually every spin. It's teasing for the guy to come along. But we know that anyway, so we don't need a tease for it. Ten spins to get one guy? Surely it'll do it. Oh, 200 there. Didn't even know it did that, huh? There he is, good. Popular game, 26,000 people playing it right now. Yeah, I've had 3 nice catch. I think I had some other wins there, didn't I? 5 spins to get 2 leprechauns, yeah? And wins in the small wins now. Nice to see a 200 with that. On the times 10. Yeah, nice. On the times 3. Yeah. Alright, pretend. Come on, 2 more. 4 spins to get 2. You can do it. Uh-oh. 2 spins, 2 guys. Oh no, it can do 2, but it won't. Not bad, 121. He's loving it. I'm thinking that's alright actually, not too bad. Next we have Jammin Jars. That was still jamming actually. When I closed it down, it still had some drops left in it. Yeah, we want sound, and we do want this. Yeah, it came over here somewhere. There it is. No, it's not still. Oh, that was it. Okay, they stopped jamming. Go on, the little jars. Go near each other. Go up. Yeah, I think you pretty much know you're not going to get much if they skip apart, because you don't really have enough spins or drops. Last one. Yeah, that's that. Go next to each other. Keep it going. Oh, that's a shame. Yeah, it's very good at looking good without being good. £40. Right then, next up is Legacy of Dead. That always disappoints, actually, that game. Great game, Legacy of Dead. I've played it a fair bit, but it's good. We need re-triggers though. Definitely need re-triggers. Oh, here we go. Called it. Turn this around, there's so many chances. Oh, proper dummy. Yeah, good. I thought surely it's coming in. It keeps teasing like that. High-ish one, I guess. Yeah, well, whatever. If we get them all, that'll be decent. It'd be massive, wouldn't it, if we got them all? It's freeze, isn't it? 3 of a kind. Ah, 4 and 3. Yeah. Pretty decent chance of a full house with the low symbols. Nearly pulled it. Don't know if it's going to re-trigger. I would have thought it would have done it by now. Kings and jacks there though. Last chance, let's get some dings. Oh, dead spins. That is the highest bonus yet, 166. Wolf Canyon now. This is a new one I've not played before, and I believe it lets you choose the bonus. Yeah, pick a wolf. Doink. What's the best? We know the hold and spin thing. Can still be good. Would have liked to see the 3 spins. Oh, we got a mini. What's a mini? £60. Oh, nice. This is a really good set, actually. I think I've beaten Legacy of Dead bonus already. Don't end. Let's do one more spin. Yeah. Come on. Drifting past. Yeah. Whew. I'm doing that for bonus. Another pot. Last one. Yeah. Did 6 last time on the last one. Does full house pay £1,000? I think it may as well do a full house. Last spin again. Last spin again. Okay. What's this? It's over 200, I think. Yeah, 220. Good one. That was good. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that great. Those holding links, they're really popular, but they're never usually amazing. That's an ultra win. Good game. Next is Amazing Links Bounty. I think this is the 6 scatter thing as well. Yeah, it is. Okay, same kind of bonus. £40 mini there. It's a budget one. Full house probably pays mega. So it may as well do it. It's not going to end there. All really rubbish values. Oh, that's a lot worse, isn't it? Yeah, £4 the highest on them. And it's a really quiet game. 34. Oh, that's the lowest bonus. I went from the highest bonus to the lowest. Machine's happy. The game's happy. I don't think it's that great. Next is Bonanza. Join them. We need nuggets. Lots of nuggets. There's the nugget. Nice. Big lumps of gold. It's doing really well, this miner. One more nugget needed. I've not got past level 2. These are the compass wilds, which seem really good if you get a couple of them. I'd like to see the next level up. Yeah, gone shy. These nuts. Can you drop another one in? Oh no, it's going to be rubbish. It's made it across. That could have gone there. Yeah, not that great. I wonder what a wild line takes. 55. It's a fun game. It's usually okay to bonus. Doesn't take too long. And it seems like it's got potential to be good. Bear money now. That was a new one. It's actually an old one. Oh yeah, same as that Rainbow Cash Box. I think it's the same. Looks it. Couldn't bother to read it. Yeah, we need a bear. If we get 2 more bears, but we need more baskets as well. Oh yeah, nice, 50. I think this must be the first version of this game they've done. It doesn't look as refined as the newer ones. Come on, bear. I've never had 2 of them on any of these kind of games. Not getting it here either. It's about £80, I think. 100 maybe. $96. Not too bad. Yeah, it feels really old, that game, actually, because the sound effects and stuff. Not much going on. Don't know why I played it. I think it came up when I was searching for something. Totem Thunder. That's a new one. Another inspired. It has a gamble, but I didn't get to see the gamble. We did this. Right, wild stacks increased by 1 wild per spin. Blah blah blah. Land 2 scatters for 2 spins. Weird. Are they all wilds? Don't know. Yeah, I think they're all wilds, but it's only £2.40 though. We need some re-triggers. Bit of a strange game, isn't it? Bit different. Nothing's happening, but that's increased, yeah? Yeah. We need to re-trigger. He's increased as well. First real win, wasn't it? Come on, lightnings, we need to re-trigger. I guess you can get 3 stacks of wilds, doesn't it be good? Nothing there. Come on, that's definitely coming in. Ah, oh, first time it's done that. That's a bit rubbish. I wonder how many spins you can gamble to. That's a big win. £40. Jammin jars paid 40. I won't give up on that just yet. I'll try to gamble another time. Only 2 bonuses left, but they could potentially be good because I've got Royale with cheese, which is a fun game. And the Rave, which can also be good. Build your burger. Oh yeah, got a bun. Chicken. I had a, what was it, a McPlant the other day. I thought I'd try it out on the new menu. It's actually alright.
Onion rings! Special sauce!
Well, we've got 9 spins times 2.
More bacon! Barbecue sauce!
10 times 4. It's going to end. It's not. There's an extra spin. Oh, you could get an extra bit of meat on there. It paused. Yeah, does that. Sends it elsewhere. Don't know if that's a good set. I guess any set can be good because the cascades build it up. Well, halfway through, they've all been dead spins except for 1. Oh, that's a win, isn't it? Queen. Can't be a win there, can it? Great, last spin. I know what Megaway's doing the last spin.
Let's come back again.
Nothing. That was really bad. And that was a big burger as well. I wasn't messing around with that burger, but the bonus was a bit rubbish. Rave. Let's rave it up. The final bonus. What do I need? Oh, 700. They've been really bad bonuses, haven't they? Come on in, Dave the Rave. Bang out some wins. We've done 20. What was that? It's teasing for something, I don't know what. That. Oh, what? 560. Is that good? 700? 14. Oh, hang on. Oh, no way. It's just the last spin. Still one extra. Yeah, last one. It's a dead end. I got murdered on the dance floor. 43. Lots of 40-ish pound bonuses there. Wow. That was really bad. I wanted a decent balance for the live bonus hunt on Saturday. I might chuck that in on the bonus hunt. Don't know. I'm going to have to collect some bonuses on Friday and Saturday before the live because they can take a long time to bonus. So let me know in the comments any bonus hunt friendly games you'd like to see, and I'll try and get to them. I'll try and play them. So the highest there was Wolf Canyon 220, which is a decent bonus, but not exceptionally decent. There were lots of under £100 bonuses. All in all, it was rubbish. Well, that's that. I'll see you Saturday, not tomorrow. Have a good evening. See you later. Bye.